YouTube? It's Jay. I'm back to make that buffalo chicken dip I was telling you about. Remember we was in Walmart? It's been a little while, but we on BPT. If you don't know what that is, it's Black People Time. But we got it. Great dish. Let's make it. See what we got. Right here we got our chicken breast, fresh off the George Foreman. And what we're gonna do, we're just gonna cut this up till it's real thin and stringy like. Y'all see, I almost got it chopped up. So I think that'll do it. That'll be good enough. Okay, so we got our chicken going in first. Y'all see? I got my big mixer spoon. We got about 2 cups of chicken. About 2 cups. Yeah. So then, we got our cream cheese. Wally Lane. Cream cheese. We're going to use this whole 8-ounce softened cream cheese right here. This is a lot. We'll probably use most of the cup. We're gonna eye and see what we think. We're probably gonna use most of the cup because this is a lot right here. But I think it'll be fine. So we got that in there. Next, we got our shredded cheddar. We're probably gonna do. Let's do about half cup.
A half a cup.
I'm not a chef, clearly.
Take some of it
No, that's plenty. You know I like my cheese. So we use about a half a cup. Okay, we got our Texas Pete buffalo wing sauce. We're gonna use 3/4 cups, so I got my 1/4 measurement right here. We're gonna use 1, 2, and 3. Okay, right here we got our ranch dressing. We're gonna use 1 full cup. So, it's a lot. And this serves about 10 people. So,
That's a lot of
put
people.
it all in there. Alright, so y'all can see what we got. Let me get this out of the way. Here's our big spoon. Mix away. It looks crazy now, but y'all just wait. So we're done mixing. And now, it's time for the main show. So, we're going to do this. So y'all can see real good. Make sure we get it all. It looks like when I be making tuna, kind of looks like that, except orange and smells good. Okay, I'm gonna pat it out like a little cake, and then just because I'm greedy, cause you know how I get down, I'm gonna pull one of these little numbers. You know what I'm saying? One of them little numbers right there. Make sure we don't OD. Okay. OD just a little bit. Okay. And then I want to add, make sure that you got your oven preheated on 350. My oven been on since I started the video. 350, y'all. Now don't forget, or y'all ain't gonna taste like mine. Alright, so now we going in. Okay guys, looks like we're ready. It's been about 25 minutes. And I think we are. Look at this. Smells amazing. Looks amazing. It looks like we're done. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel, Logan Fam Network. If you think your recipe may be better, leave it in the comments below. In the meantime, in between time, y'all know what I'm about to do. Look at this. Oh, I think this is gonna be real good. I can't wait to, oh man, it looks so good. And that's my video. Thanks, guys.